All right, good morning. Welcome to my driveway. Back here with the 1994 Jaguar XJ12. I did the driving videos last night, and I also did the video of the interior lights. Jeez, the crows are calling my name, thought Caw. That's a Jack Handy quote from our very own Al Franken here in Minnesota. Deep Thoughts by Jack Handy. You can see, I wish I had one of those thermometers to show you that the engine is cold, but the car is sat overnight, still in the same spot it was when I did the lights video. And unfortunately, it is 35 degrees out right now in Minnesota, which is about 60 degrees warmer than it could be. It's not uncommon here for temperatures to drop below 30, and that would be a real cold start video. Let's get this thing fired up. So there we go. Cold start on the 1994 Jaguar XJ12. See, it's still put my hand right on the old exhaust muffler. Even though this is the shield, that's what it's like. Cold start. Thanks for watching.